evening. This is now rehearsal for all personnel who like to try to be a captain of a business jet or even on a flag carrier. So first you enter to the cockpit. Take a seat in a cockpit, strap, and go to position. Now you grab a steering wheel and then you listen what the flight control says. And then you go through the various procedures. You like doors closed, hatch closed, elapsed, is in a galley everything in order, are everybody on board. If everything okay and cargo, then you start to go and you go even next. Like this. Cameraman can move up like this, and then it's like 3, 2, 1, and you start on the runway. It's going, and you pull the steer, you pull, and you fly. And knock, 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 and you go, and you can switch off the in the cabin that they can take off the seat belts and everything, and now you are in a normal, and you basically can switch to the automatic control. So this is very quick and fast procedure. If you would like to switch from a taximan or doing another job like in a kitchen or a service business, you would like to switch to fly an airplane. So this is what. And thank you.